So we're right back into it. Finished up lunch, had a few ideas while I was offline. Came back, tried them, they didn't work. At least not all of them. Then I did some changes, and I've got it working. So we are good to go now. Basically, all that was for getting this console window open so we could debug what was happening with their other one when we were saving it off. There is a toggle in Blender that you can turn this on and off if you ever get stuck, can't find it again. It doesn't work unless you've got a console window already started when Blender started. So to get the console window to start, I had to change my command quite a bit. It's command.exe/c start, then the path to Blender space, then the default file, of course, like we had before. The key to getting it to work, though, that I found was the start piece. That triggered it to start with the console because it spawned it off as its own process. But I wasn't able to then get my arguments passed to Blender to say run the Python file. This is the Python file's name, the save file, all that stuff, right? So in order to do that, I had to go in and modify the path to not have spaces in it at all. Because if it had spaces at all, the encapsulation of that command with additional double quotes was throwing it for a loop and not letting it work. So change it to use, the default Windows or DOS stuff, really, right? Short file names for files, basically, and it now works. So we're good there. Now let's scan this bigger area and see what the heck is going on with this thing. So when we scanned from there to here and did wall test, it would run, and we would only get part of the Blender file. And now we're getting the whole thing. You know what? I'm okay with that. I really, really am. I didn't want to have to figure out what was wrong anyway. It's working. That's all that matters. And I can say that I think that the walls are done. I don't think there's anything else we need to do to the walls specifically. Let's go in, though, and edit our script now to call our post cleanup. Save that script and close out Blender. Run the command one more time. It should open Blender, console, everything. And there we go. And we get it all as one object now. Perfect. Okay, let's commit everything to GitHub because that was quite a bit of changes we had to do to get to this stage. So we are in Daemon Depths. This is the Python file itself. It's interesting that all of these other Blender files are getting updated. I don't remember. Oh, I probably modified them in Unity? I don't know. Why are they getting changed? Whatever. Added wall shapes to the Py file. Eventually, this Py file might need to be put in a different location. I don't know. Doesn't make sense to be part of the Daemon Depths. It probably should be part of the MC to Blender. But we're good for now. Okay. Fixed. Opening the command line. The terminal. When Blender starts. Also fixed. Also removed color format codes from the... I just got a message. I probably have to stop in a minute. From the file that is written. For true. I can type for true and false values. Yeah, I gotta stop. I'll catch you guys when we get back. She wants to go somewhere, so I will stream again as soon as I get back.